What banks do you recommend for HELOCs?
That is as short a question, I think, as we've ever gotten, Arthur. What banks do you recommend for HELOCs? Not mincing words. Well, I would recommend actually our friends Dan Krause and the team at Churchill Mortgage. I'm going to have a link in the description of this show for you to check them out. They do first lien HELOCs. They do them in a number of states now across the country. And they can do first lien HELOCs on investment properties as well as primary mortgages. So I would definitely connect with the team from Churchill. I had a call with them last week. They're really doing some exciting things with their lending programs. So again, I speak highly of them because I've had a number of people we've referred to them and they've done great. So I will connect you there. We'll have a link in the description. Churchill Mortgage, that's a great company to check out. I'd also look at Flagstar Bank as well, and any local banks. So Flagstar is national. They do first they do HELOCs as well. They do loans. I would also just check out your local banks. You know, if it's for an investment property, again, talk to your local banks. Some might say no, and you're going to find one that'll say yes or two that'll say yes. Banks want to, you got to compete with these people. And then if you want to go the other route on the internet, I would just check out Lending Tree. You can fool around on that website and see what kind of loans you can get based on the property and the zip code, and see what banks would want to compete for a home equity line of credit using Lending Tree. But again, my first choice would be sort of the more personal connection, and we'll have a link to the team from Churchill in the description below, and you can take it from there. Thank you guys for your great questions. Please leave us a voicemail question. You can go to our website, Morris Invest, that's MORRIS, invest.com. There's a microphone icon on the right-hand side of the screen. Click that, leave us a 30-second voicemail question or less. And while you're there, please grab the Freedom Cheat Sheet. You can do that right there at morrisinvest.com/freedom. And that'll help you on your roadmap to financial freedom. Now go out there, take action, and become a real estate investor. I believe it's the #1 way to build wealth. We'll see you next time, everyone.